Today, we're looking at what could become Nissan's biggest comeback story in years, the 2027 Nissan Xterra.
And honestly, if Nissan actually builds something that looks this good, the Toyota 4Runner might finally have a serious competitor that doesn't cost a fortune. Because just look at it. This thing looks rugged, boxy, and ready for adventure. It brings back everything people loved about the original Xterra while giving it a bold, modern design that fits today's off-road SUV market. The first thing that stands out is the front end. Instead of following the rounded crossover trend, this concept features a squared-off, truck-inspired face with large LED headlights, a massive grille with bold Nissan lettering, thick black cladding, and a chunky silver skid plate that instantly says this SUV is built for adventure. It doesn't try to look luxurious, it looks capable, and that's exactly what Xterra buyers want. Move to the side and the proportions feel just right. The upright windshield, flat roofline, muscular wheel arches, chunky all-terrain tires, and generous ground clearance give it a true off-road presence. Unlike many crossovers that simply add black plastic trim, this actually looks like an SUV built to leave the pavement. Around the back, it's clean, simple, and unmistakably Xterra. The bold Xterra lettering stretches across the tailgate, while the slim LED taillights and rugged rear bumper keep the design modern without losing its adventurous personality. And that's where this SUV becomes really interesting. For years, the Toyota 4Runner has dominated this segment because there hasn't been much direct competition. Sure, you have the Ford Bronco, Jeep Wrangler, Honda Passport Trail Sport, Land Rover Defender, Lexus GX, and even Nissan's own Pathfinder Rock Creek.
But many of these either cost significantly more, focus on different buyers, or simply don't deliver the same blend of rugged styling and everyday practicality.
The Xterra could change that. If Nissan prices it below the 4Runner, it could become one of the best values in the off-road SUV market. That's always been the Xterra's appeal. It wasn't built to be the fanciest SUV, it was built to take people on adventures without a premium price tag. And that idea still makes perfect sense today.
Looking at this concept, it seems to understand exactly what buyers have been asking for. Boxy styling is back.
So bringing back the Xterra now feels like the right move. Of course, looks alone won't be enough. If Nissan stays true to its history, I could see the production model using a turbocharged 4-cylinder from the Frontier or a proven V6, paired with a proper 4-wheel drive system and multiple terrain modes to keep its off-road reputation alive. The real question is pricing. If Nissan can offer similar capability to the 4Runner at a noticeably lower price, it could attract weekend campers, overlanders, hikers, families, and anyone looking for a dependable SUV that handles snow, dirt roads, and everyday driving with confidence. Visually, this concept checks almost every box. The short overhangs, squared-off body, roof rails, and bright yellow paint give it personality in a market where many SUVs look the same. And honestly, that's something many vehicles have lost: character. Not another soft crossover, not another luxury SUV, just an honest, capable, rugged Xterra updated for today's market.
If Nissan gets this right, the Xterra could become one of the most exciting SUV comebacks we've seen in years.
It doesn't have to replace the Toyota 4Runner. It just has to offer similar capability, everyday practicality, and rugged styling at a lower price. And that alone could make it the smarter buy for a lot of people. The off-road SUV market has never been more competitive, but there's still room for a tough, affordable adventure vehicle that doesn't require spending premium money. If this concept is even close to what Nissan eventually builds, the 2027 Nissan Xterra could finally give the Toyota 4Runner a budget-friendly rival. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below.